Of abject COVID-19 IgG IgM antibody rapid test kit. We require alcohol swab, 1 lancet, 1 cassette, assay buffer. Wipe the finger with the help of alcohol swab. Let it dry. With the help of lancet, prick the finger. Take 1 drop blood and dispense on sample well. Add 2 drops of assay solution. Within 3-4 seconds, it would start running, and within 1 minute, control band would appear. Now you can see single band at C and no bands at G and M indicates specimen is COVID-19 negative. Band at C and M or G or both indicates specimen is COVID-19 positive. Discard the cassette in biohazard bag. Thank you.